So guys, welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In my previous video, I actually created some cool videos about how you can actually make money with URL file locker or content locking strategy, and you can actually do check out those videos right here. And if you're finding it difficult promoting your content lockers, I'm going to show you a very easy step you can actually use to promote your URL file locker or your content lockers and get cool traffic to that, and also go on to making some cool cash. And if you do want to just simply learn such strategy, make sure you do watch this video to the end and learn this simple strategy and go on to replicating that also right here in this video. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you do like such content, make sure you do keep on scrolling through my channel. You'll be able to see lots of cool videos that can actually help you go on to boosting your income online. And guys, with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's jump right into today's video. So firstly guys, if you don't have an account on this platform, those are actually for beginners. You want to make sure you do go on to registering for an account. You can click on register to be brought to this page and actually go on to filling out this form appropriately. You want to fill out your name, your last name, and other fields having this red asterisk signs right here, as those are actually the required fields as you can see right now. So once you do fill out those sections, you want to come right here, read through the terms of service by clicking on this icon right now. You could also go on to checking these boxes to agree to the terms of service and click on register now to get your account created. So as you can see right now guys, I'm actually logged into my account, and you can actually come right here, click on monetization tools and select the URL file locker or the content locker to actually use that. But I'm just going to use an example right here of an offer from the offer tool section and clicking on my offers to get to this page right here to show you how you can do just that. So guys, you can actually use this particular strategy for single offers right here, and you could also use that for your URL file lockers or content lockers. So going right ahead into today's video, I'm just going to be selecting an offer from the United States demographic, as you can actually do see right now. So what I'm going to do is actually going to selecting a very cool and amazing offer. So if I do keep on scrolling through, I want to select something that is kind of a giveaway offer. You can see this one actually do fit into that category. This offer is kind of a giveaway offer for $1,000 in cash right now. All you need to do is to enter your information now for a chance to win. And your information which you actually need to do enter is your email address and zip code right now. And they actually need to be using an Apple iOS device for them to go on to submitting their email address using this unique affiliate link right now. And you do get paid $1.15 for each person that actually do that from the United States. So this is actually an amazing offer you can actually do go on to taking advantage of. So if I do copy the link to this offer right now guys, I'm just going to go on to a new tab and I'm going to go on to searching for the tinyurl.com. So this platform right here called tinyurl.com is actually an amazing link shortener website you can use to go on to shortening your lengthy URLs. So as you can see right now, what I'm going to do is to come right here and click on or paste in that particular link to my CPA marketing offer. Click on shorten URL, and this platform is going to go on to helping me shorten the URL to a very cool shorter version right now. So I'm going to copy this URL and actually go on to promoting that right here using a free ad platform. And that platform right here is called the classifiedads.com. So if you do head on to this platform called classifiedads.com, you can actually do get traffic to your CPA marketing offers or your URL file locker or content locker for absolutely free. And how do you do that? You want to come right here, click on post an ad, and you can see the free in brackets. If you do that right now, you want to select the category of the offer right here. So I can just simply go to selecting maybe the jobs category right now. I can select the subcategory right now to anything right here, maybe marketing jobs or office jobs or other jobs. Right now you want to put in the city or zip location. Since I'm promoting my offer to the United States, I can just simply come right here and type in New York. And you can actually do see a lot of locations in New York right now. I'm just going to go on to selecting one right now, which is actually Brooklyn, New York. You want to insert a title right here to that particular offer. So I'm just going to go back to CPAGrip and copy the title to this particular CPA marketing offer. I'm going to head back to the classifiedads.com and actually do paste in that right here. So I'm just going to go on to editing this properly. So once this has actually been edited properly, for the compensation, you can actually leave that as it is. For the description section, I'm going to go on to putting in a very cool, simple description right now. And I actually already have one actually created right in here. So I'm going to show you that. So you can see the description right here says, "Hello guys, are you looking for ways to get $1,000 without any struggle?" I'm going to edit this right here, "without any struggle. If yes, then grab $1,000 in cash now." And this section, you want to insert your link. So I'm just going to put in something like click here, and if I put in something like this, I'm going to highlight this text and I'm going to head on to this link icon, click on that, and I can actually go on to pasting in the URL to that CPA marketing offer. So I'm going to go back to tiny URL, copy that link right now, head back to classifiedads.com and paste in that particular link right in here. So once I do that, I'm going to click on OK, and you can actually see right here that this has actually changed the blue icon. This actually indicates that there is a link attached to this text, and when somebody come right here and click here, it's automatically going to take them to that CPA marketing offer for them to go on to completing. And if they do complete that, I do gain some cool affiliate commission. So right now, you want to go on to filling out these other details based on your preference. You want to fill out your name, your email address, fill out your email address again, insert your phone number, select the city and location which you want to just simply promote the offer to. You could also go on to inserting a zip code right here. For this expiring date, you want to change this to something like 9 months, and this section, guys, you're just going to go on to typing in the exact same text which you actually do see right here, which is DRDYN. And if you do put in that right now, you could also go on to adding in cool images which are actually related to that offer. Maybe I can go back to CPAGrip, download this image by right clicking on this, click on save image as, and save the image on my device. Once that has actually been done, I'm going to head back to this platform and actually go on to clicking on choose file, select that particular file, and the image will be added right here. So you can see that the image has actually been added. All you need to do is to fill out all the fields right here appropriately. For this compensation, you can actually go on to leaving that on 0. And once you're actually done right here, you want to then just simply come right here, click on post this ad, and this ad will be posted for absolutely free. So I'm just going to fill out these details right now. So once I do click on post ad right here, as you can see, the ad is actually loading through, and you can see right here it says my ad has actually been posted. And this is the ad right here which says grab your $1,000 in cash right here. You can actually see more details about the ad. This was the date it was actually posted right here. You can see the expiring date right now. You could also go on to seeing other stuff right here relating to that particular ad right here. So all you actually need to do is to just simply go on to getting multiple CPA marketing offers from CPAGrip and go on to running an ad right there on that particular platform. So another platform you could take advantage of to promote your CPA marketing offer is this platform right here called the OGads.com. This platform actually works similar to the classifiedads.com. All you need to do is to come right here, click on post ad. If you just select that right now, you will be taken to a page such as this where you just need to go on to signing up. So as you can see right now, I'm signed into my account. All you need to do is to come right here, click on post ad. You want to just simply click on post free ad right now, and you can then just simply select the location which you want to promote your ad to. As you can see, I want to promote my ad to the United States. I'm going to select that, select the location in the United States, and actually the city right now. Once you actually do select all these details, select the category of the offer and also the subcategory of the offer right now. So I'm just going to select something at random to actually show you how this looks like. So once I've actually just selected something right here, go on to fill out these details just like we did for the classified ads, and go on to posting your ad for absolutely free. And guys, I do hope this video was helpful. If you do have any questions, leave that in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is turned on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.